I did not tell him these were healthy. I just gave it to him and he kept reaching for more. These strawberry muffins are made with very simple pantry ingredients. No added sugar, no refined flour. The sweetness comes completely from the banana and the strawberries. The whole wheat flour makes them soft but still filling. So they are not just a treat, they are proper snack material or a proper breakfast recipe. Mix everything together, spoon into molds and bake until lightly golden. They turn out soft, slightly moist and naturally sweet. Perfect for breakfast, lunchbox or after school snack, and honestly I eat them too. If you're trying to make everyday food a little healthier without making it complicated, try this. From my kitchen to your little ones.